Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Tip for Tuesday. So today I've got another really quick tip for you for Halloween. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and Halloween, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You'll find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So today's tip is maybe not the easiest, but I think it is the quickest tip that I have had so far. And that is simply to serve your desserts out of little mini decorative pumpkins. So they're sold as decorative pumpkins, but why not have them do double duty and serve dessert out of them? So today I did applesauce in my orange pumpkins, and then I did a little bit of vanilla pudding in my white pumpkin. And I just did that for the kids, but you can actually bake in these pumpkins as well. So I was working at a photography studio, I don't know, some years back, and a girl came in. She had just graduated culinary school, so she was having her picture taken. And we got to talking, it was a little bit before Thanksgiving, and she mentioned that she would make little mini pumpkin pies in these. And I thought that was just the cutest idea ever. So yes, you can bake in these. So since then, not only have I done pumpkin pies, but I've done things like creme brulee and a baked cheesecake. You could do a no-bake cheesecake. I mean, just so many different things you can do with these. So again, very quick tip today, but hopefully you'll get some use out of it. And the good thing is not only can you do this for Halloween though, you can do this for Thanksgiving. So I wouldn't reuse the same pumpkins, but definitely you can do desserts in here for Halloween and desserts in here for Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next Tuesday with another tip. Bye.